Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Nowadays, emojis are easily accessible on smartphone keyboard. We can easily use emojis in our message, tweets and social media. But what if you are working from a desktop and want to add an emoji to a message? How is this possible? In this video, I am going to show you two simple methods to use emojis in Windows 10 PC. So let's see how we'll do this. Did you know you have got an emoji keyboard at your fingertips right now with the Windows 10? To access the on-screen touch keyboard, tap the keyboard icon in the system tray. If you do not see the keyboard icon in the system tray, right-click the taskbar and check the Show Touch Keyboard button. And now here you will find one touchscreen keyboard will appear in the bottom right-hand side taskbar. So now what you have to do, I am going to open a Word document and I am going to type something over here, and after that we will insert some emojis over here. Okay. Now I am going to add some emojis. So I have to click on this on-screen keyboard. Now this keyboard will appear and here you will find emoji. Click on this and here you will find all the emojis, and you just click on the emoji you would like to use, like this. In the same way, now I am going to open Notepad and add some emojis over here. So emojis, now click on the on-screen touch keyboard and click on the emojis. And from here you can choose your emojis like this. So any of the emojis you can easily add in this notepad page. And the same way, now I am going to minimize this. I am going to open my web browser, and from in the URL section you will also put some emojis. So let's check. Okay. So this is how you can add any of these emojis in your web page also. So anywhere in the Windows 10, if you want, you can use these emojis like this. This is the one way. And the another way to put some emojis on Windows 10 PC, I am going to. Here is the another useful keyboard shortcut for Windows 10. Top shortcut for sharing emojis, simply press the Windows key and the period button to get started. So now you will find one emoji screen will appear. Okay, now I'm going to open my notepad, and there you will find the standard range of emojis from people to food to sports. Now you can either just click on the emojis you would like to use. So same in the web page also, just simply press the Windows key and the period button and the emojis screen will appear. So this is the shortcut method to open an emoji in Windows 10 PC. So like this you can add any of these emojis. So let's check in the Microsoft Word document page. You have to simply press the Windows key and the period button to open the emoji screen. Okay. So like this. So this is a very simple trick to open emoji in your computers. So hope this video will help you. If you really like this video, please do like, subscribe and share it with others. And of course, press the bell icon to get the new video update. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.